Good morning, my friends. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya Sidegigcrafts. Guys, we have got a 9th day here to make a card and be grateful. And I'm grateful for you being here, first of all, and I'm grateful for all the things, all the blessings. I've got a card here that I want to use today. And I found some things, different things along my desk, and I'm thinking, let's have some fun with this. We are going to be using some of these scraps up and just collaging, having fun, just using some of the things. So I hope that you will get out your creative things and create with me. So, yeah, I pulled, this is kind of unusual for me because last couple days I've actually just pulled things together beforehand and put them together on camera. But usually, you know, I'm a little bit more actually, I don't really have a plan, but I'm just thinking this is something different that I'm pulling things out beforehand, huh? I'm just creating with those instead of all the things everywhere. Oh, I do like that there. Okay, I think I'm going to put this one here. I hope you guys are doing well. Truly do. Hope you are. I hope you're having a wonderful day as you watch this. And I hope that you are finding lots of things to be grateful for. This season. All right, there we go. Sorry, my thoughts are so jumbled right now. I wanted to put this down right there. Some vintage book page that is left over from a previous project. And if you are new to the channel, we are making a gratitude journal of sorts, gratitude index. I'm doing the gratitude index box, and I have challenged everyone to do this in their own way, whether they use the index cards, whether they use a journal, however you would like to do it. You are welcome to join in the fun. And just tag me at SGC Gratitude Index 2024 if you make videos, and tag me on there because I'd love to see what you're making. I'd love to see what you are creating, and I'd love to be able to support your channel as well. So thank you for being here and doing all the things. I think I just want to kind of put that there. I don't know if I want this flower on here. I kind of do. I kind of want this right around there. I wasn't sure about that flower, but I really like that. That there. Just mix all these colors. I'm thinking, looking at this fabric, thinking I'd like to make kind of a tag out of it, but I want it to hang down a bit also. I think I'd like to put this here. And I was going to put a rub-on up here, but I'm not sure. It was going to be that one. That's the one right there. Could put bingo. Do I like the bingo better? No, it's not wide enough. That will work just great. I can remember how to do these. It's been so long. I know one of these comes off, doesn't it? There we go, the cover protective sheet. And let's put this right. Oh, shoot. It's trying to come off already. So it won't be hard to get off of there. Where's my bone folder? Really, guys? Where's my bone folder? don't see it. I wonder if this would work. Probably. Or not. That doesn't work. That does not work. It was already coming off, so I don't know that it's going to be... Actually, the shiny part's probably what I really want to scrub off there. Gonna work. Yep, that's gonna work. Okay, I like that. Put that right above there. And I think I'm just gonna staple this one. Where's my tiny attacher? That's not it. It looks kind of like that, but I don't use it often enough. And it looks like I'm not going to use it again today. I mean, I know it's right here. I don't know why I can't find it. I probably put it somewhere safe where I'd remember to use it. Most likely. Just do that. Okay, and then I think I'd like to shred these a little bit. This little piece of fabric was gifted to me by somebody. I don't remember. Had it so long, I don't remember. Let's ink up the outside of this just to make it a little darker so I can contrast a little more against that background. Do a little bit better. Oh, I need to trim that. How cute is that? And so simple. Again, just find things off your desk. That's all you gotta do. And this flower actually was on the floor. It's floor trash. But I was rolling over it with my chair. I thought, you know, I should use that. So I'm going to go ahead and sew around this, and then I'll come back. We'll put the numbers on it. We'll be done. All right, you guys, I was thinking about it. I think I want to put the bingo right down here. It's going to be covered a little bit by the number, I think, maybe. But I think that's okay. I just think it'll balance it a little bit. So let's put this down here on this paper. I don't know how, yeah, I guess it doesn't take that much scrubbing. All right, and then I have a 9. I have a 9 I want to put here. This was a fun, easy little project, using up some of these scraps. Super cute. I'm loving how it's turned out. Now let's go ahead and get the edges all scraped up and inked up so it matches the rest of them in my box, my wonderful box of thankfulness, of gratitude, my box of gratitude. Just making a card a day. And memories for a lifetime, right? There we go. All inked up, complete. Simple, simple, simple. And what a beautiful piece of art today. Just using what we've got. Using what I found in my craft room. Got nice crafty paper on the back for writing on. A lot of fun. So thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope that you'll give it a try. Make your cards. Don't forget to use that hashtag so I can come check out your work and again support your channel as well. And if you don't have a channel, that's okay. Let me know how it's going for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe button for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.